Hello Philinvestors, this is Randall, Sales Manager of Philinvest, and nandito tayo sa may Southwind San Pedro, located at South Peak San Pedro. So this one is Banyan model, one of the model here at Southwinds. Meron tayong walnut model, the bungalow type, and this one is the 2-story, so the Banyan model. Kagandahan dito, naka-firewall na yung kanyang Banyan model, at the same time meron na rin siyang lanay sa bandang kitchen. Ito, pagpasok mo dito, naka 2 doors na siya. And then, naka-vinyl tiles na yan. So, if you want, mas okay yung tiles na gagamitin. So, mas madaling tanggalin. Ayan. Ito yung bandang kitchen. And ito yung kanyang lanay. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng fence dyan, lagyan mo yan ng bamboo trees. Mas okay. So, this one is first bedroom. Hindi lang mabuksan. And then, this one is the kitchen. The common CR, may 2 pinto yan. Dito, you can extend your kitchen. Pwede ka maglagay ng dirty kitchen, pwede mong i-close yan. And puntahan natin yung may second floor. So, may second floor, nandun yung 2 rooms natin, the masters and the second room. Ayan, itong pintong to for the balcony. And this one is the first room here. Naka-wood finish na yung kanyang vinyl. Ayan. And then, yung masters, tignan natin yung masters. Yung masters bedroom, kaganda niyan, malaki yung space nito. Hindi ito yung typical na 9 square meter room. And then, meron siyang common CR, 2 pintunan. And then, tignan natin sa may roof deck. Kagandahan nito guys, pag nasa roof deck ka, pwede mong siyang gawing tambayan, pwede kang gumawa ng garden dito. You can see the sunset here. You can see the Laguna Bay. You can see the San Pedro skyline and the Alabang skyline from here. Kagandahan yan, if block 1 yung makuha mo, kita mo talaga siya lahat. Ito, yung model house namin is located at block 1, lot 4. So this one, ayan o, ayan yung Laguna Bay. Yan, kita mo din yung kanyang San Pedro. Ayan, yan yung buong San Pedro skyline. So mas mababa yung area ng The Pines sa atin.